Good day, everyone, and most especially to our professor, Ma'am Jacqueline Macahis. I am Julie Pearl Canoy, and I'm going to discuss the definition of concept. According to John Key and Nowakzik in 1998, state that concepts are the ideas we think with. Expressed more technically, concepts are our internal mental representations of the properties of objects and events. Those objects or events that embody a concept are said to form a conceptual category. It is the fundamental unit of thought, an idea of what thing is. Concepts are defined as the ordinary ideas or general notions that occur in the mind, in speech, or in thought. They are understood to be the fundamental building blocks of the concept behind principles, thought, and belief. They play an important role in all aspects of cognition. A concept also is a way of grouping an array of objects or events in terms of certain characteristics that distinguish this group from other objects or events. By grouping together things or events that have common characteristics, one is able to reduce the complexity of the situation, identify more clearly the objects or events, make the learning experience more meaningful, and relate objects and events in the special grouping. Concepts can be organized into a hierarchy higher levels of which are termed superordinate and lower levels termed subordinate. Additionally, there is the basic or middle level at which people will most readily categorize a concept. Example, a basic level concept would be chair, with its superordinate furniture and its subordinate easy chair. Concepts may be exact or inexact. It is instantiated by all of its actual or potential instances, whether these are things in the real world or other ideas.
To our mentor, Dr. Jacqueline Macahis, to my fellow educators, good day. I am Marites Molino, your today's discussant. My topic for today is all about functions of concepts. It is discussed by my colleague that concept is the fundamental unit of thought, an idea of what thing is. It is a way of grouping an array of objects or events in terms of certain characteristics that distinguish this group from other objects or events. Since we are discussing about cognition and learning, concept serves some major functions in mental life of a child. First function is concept foster cognitive economy by dividing the world into manageable units. This is what we call categorization. When we say categorization, it is assigning an object to concept. When we categorize an object, we treat it as if it has many of the properties associated with the concept, including properties that we have not directly perceived or understand. For example, we have a big box that contains different home materials. We'll let the child identify the different objects and categorize them where they belong. Is it for living room, kitchen, bedroom, etc.? By doing this, the brain does not only memorize specific examples of members of a category, but also stores general information that all members have in common and therefore defines the category. Second function of concept is it allows us to predict information that is not readily perceived or understanding of. For example, when you ask a child what is an apple, He or she may answer that it is edible and have many seeds, or others may answer that it is round, red, green, or fruit. Therefore, our concept of apple is associated with having seeds and being edible, and being round, red, or green, and being found on trees. We may use the visible properties to categorize some object as an apple, and then infer that the object has the less visible properties as well. And that's all. Thank you.